Welcome to our low back pain series. Today's our first activity or exercise we're doing, and it's called a pelvic tilt. It's about active range of motion, and it's the foundation of all of our activities for low back pain. Okay, I want you to keep in mind as we work on the pelvic tilt, this is all about active, I'm gonna call it clean motion, where we're not holding for stability, nor are we trying to stretch our back. We're just going for that clean, smooth, controlled motion. Shouldn't be painful, should just be comfortable. So with Tessa here, what we're gonna do is she's gonna gently arch her back up so I can kind of cue her with my hand. I'm gonna put this under the small of her back. Now, if you're at home, don't worry about like having somebody put their hand under your back. I'm doing that just to help you see what we're gonna do here. So in the pelvic tilt, what she's gonna do is she's gonna gently move her back into my hand and then smooth, controlled, move away from my hand. And that's just a simple pelvic tilt. And as you do this at home, it's not about a hold. Again, it's not about stability. You're just gonna come in and out of the motion, not trying to get your end of motion, and definitely not trying to get any pain coming out of that arch, okay? It's all about pain-free, smooth, controlled, active motion. So that's the pelvic tilt in a laying down position. It's probably my most basic and favorite activity to work on. Most people progress out of this fairly quickly, which is great. I'm gonna show you that next. Man, that ain't real, but watch out. So now we've done the laying down position, you're gonna get past that fairly quickly. So the next progression of that is a pelvic tilt in sitting. This one's still about active motion, but of course you're gonna have some stability as you do it. And it also is really nice because we'll probably look at this when we get into some postural things with the neck. This is one of the nice ways to change our posture and our position of our neck, even without getting into like pulling your shoulder blades back or pulling your neck back. So we'll probably address this again in another video as we do like a next series in the future. So, but what we're gonna do in a pelvic tilt is from my hand position, you're just gonna kind of gently push into my hand. I almost call it a sit small and sit tall, and then you'll kind of come out of it. Again, it's pain-free motion. You're just gonna move in and out of that position in a pain-free way. Just super simple. I wouldn't say this is one you wanna do for hours, but even if you're working at a computer or you're at home with the kids, you'll just wanna work on doing this periodically through the day, and it's just gonna, I call it a clean-up motion. If you have any discomfort, a lot of times it just takes that discomfort and eases that off because you're changing that position and just moving your body, which is what your body needs.